Hi everyone, let's start by making some Bacalao Guisado. This is the package I will be using today. I'm using 2, and I have listed the ingredients that we will be using today. We will start out by rinsing out the codfish. This is very salty, just to keep it preserved, so we have to remove whatever we can. I do this a couple of times, maybe 3-4 times. I am then gonna get water so I can boil it, and I'm gonna do this process about 2 times to continue to remove any excess salt, because we don't want a very salty fish, and this has a lot of salt. So again, we can do this process twice, and once we have finished this process, we will then drain the water, and we're gonna just shred the fish into pieces. Now we can take the olive oil. I'm gonna add my shredded cabbage and let it cook up for 2-3 minutes. Move it around. Please note the cabbage is optional. Now this 2-3 minutes, I am gonna put the green peppers, the red peppers, and the onions to saute and keep it there for 2 to 3 minutes. Add my garlic and continue to add the rest of the seasonings. Once I incorporated all the seasoning, I will add the codfish with some tomato sauce, move it around a bit, and add a little bit of water. Let it come to a boil for 5 minutes, and then this is done. Enjoy. Please follow and subscribe.